Hello and welcome to ActivTrades Weekly Outlook. Another relatively quiet week in economic news, as some of the turmoil in the banking industry begins to ease and investors breathe a sigh of relief. Of the major items to watch this week will be the Reserve Bank of Australia's monetary policy meeting, as well as the US non-farm payrolls, among others. Let's dive in. On Monday, final manufacturing PMIs are expected for a number of economies, including Japan, Spain, Switzerland, Italy, France, Germany, the EU, the UK, Canada, and the US. The Caixin China General Manufacturing PMI is also due on Monday, with a slight rise expected for March. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will meet on monetary policy. After 10 consecutive official cash rate increases, the bank may consider a pause to assess the impact on the economy. Germany will also report its trade balance. Expectations are for a further bump in the trade surplus after it increased significantly in January this year. On Wednesday, final services PMIs are due for Japan, Spain, Switzerland, Italy, France, Germany, the EU, the UK, Canada, and the US. There are positive forecasts across the board for March, as for the majority of countries maintain levels above 50, indicating expansion in the sector. The ADP National Employment Report, which tracks the monthly shift in private sector employment, will also be released, with expectations that 200,000 positions will have been created in March. On Thursday, Canada is due to publish a range of employment data, including the unemployment rate, the employment change. The forecast for March is expected to show an increase in unemployment rate. Also from Canada, IV PMI is due, and forecasts see the March index dropping to 49 from 51.6 in February. On Friday, US employment data, including non-farm payrolls, the unemployment rate, and average earnings are due. Despite expectations that US private non-farm payrolls average hourly wage would stay flat at 0.3% in February, it increased by only 8 cents. Forecasts are again for a 0.3% increase for March. If you would like to read our full outlook, please visit the analysis section on our website. That's all for this week. Happy trading!